Assistant Professor, Department of BSc Information Technology at Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to explain about transmission control protocol and internet protocol as well as functionalities of these protocols inside a network. Here, what is TCP and what is IP? Transmission Control Protocol. The main purpose of using transmission control protocol inside a network is which enable all the network devices can communicate over a network, and also by using these devices we can send or share the information through network. So the main purpose of transmission control protocol is responsible for all the network devices can be connected with the network, another same network or within the another network. And internet protocol, it is the main purpose when the network is connected with the internet, that is globally it can be connected with the help of internet. So that time the major protocol used here as internet protocol. In this diagram, TCP and IP having a different set of layers. Each layers can perform a different kinds of task. There exists source and destination. In source side, I am having a list of protocols. Application layer. In application layer, the main protocol here is Hypertext Transfer Protocol (HTTP), which helps to transmit or post files to the destination machine, followed by transport protocol. It enables it ensures the communication connection between source and destination. Network layer, it establishes a connection and also it will release the connection after transmitting the files over the network. A data link layer, which supports for we have a number of packets over the particular source, so that data link layer will provide the path, different types of path for different types of packets over the network. After in receiver side, we have a list of protocols likewise: the application layer, transport layer, and network layer, and data link layer. So generally TCP contains 4 different types of layer. These layers can perform different functionalities by the help of different protocols called HTTP, TCP, IP, and data link layer. The layers of TCP IP, here I am elaborating what are all the functionality of TCP and IP layers. Application layer, it is like an user interface. For example, we are connecting with the destination machine. Definitely we need some interface. That interface may be a software or hardware. For that we are using application layer as an interface. Here the protocols which are used as HTTP and file transfer protocol. Transport layer, it provides a reliable data transfer between a network. For that it uses transmission control protocol and UDP, Universal Datagram Protocol. Either UDP or TCP is used inside transport layer. The main purpose of transport layer is to provide a reliable transmission over a network. Internet layer, the main use of internet layer here, it provides routing and addressing. That means it provides different types of path over a network, because we have a lot of paths over a network, but that internet layer will choose a shortest path among the available paths, so it will reduce the networking time. Network access layer, the physical, it allows a physical data transmission, how the particular packets can be forwarded and how it is aligned. Likewise, the functionality of physical work can be done with the help of network access layer. Key protocols in TCP IP. In TCP, there exists a layer called transport layer. This layer is responsible for providing a reliable transmission. For that it uses transmission control protocol. It is a connection oriented and reliable communication. UDP, it is a connectionless, but it is fast and unreliable. The connection oriented and connectionless in the sense, before sending and receiving the net packets, we have to ensure the connection status. that is done in TCP, but in UDP we don't want to bother about the connection establishment. That's what it provides unreliable communication. Then internet layer, IP addressing is very important while we are accessing global network, that is for example in internet, through internet. So here it provides lot of IP address and schemes. Also it provides various routers and its routing solutions. In IP addressing there are 32-bit addressing that is used in IPv4, but in IPv6 it uses 64-bit combination. So preferably we can use IPv6 compared with IPv4. Examples of internet layers are HTTP, FTP and DNS. These are all the protocols which is used in internet layers. How these ITCP and IP will works. The basic common step in this protocol, this layer architecture is, first it divides the whole message into a number of packets or segments. This is the first stage, and in second stage, for example, we are splitting the entire message into a number of packets. We have to forward the packets through the available routers. Transport layer, which ensures the correct order. That means what order I am sending, it should be received in the same order. So sending and receiving order can be acknowledged by transport layer. Application layer, it resembles the data for the user. For example, if I am needing some data in the particular format, so that application layer will reassemble the data in my format. Advantages, and also there exist some drawbacks over TCP and IP. It is a standard communication protocol. Also it provides a reliable, scalable communication. It supports for multi-purpose application over a network, but limitation, it comes compared with the OSI, it has poor security. So if the network configuration is very complex, at that time we could not use TCP/IP architecture. Applications of TCP and IP, basically it can be used in web browsing, email services, file sharing and video streaming. These are all the functionalities of TCP/IP layers. Thank you.